Welcome to the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71 in black. This SUV is powered by a 5.3-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Tahoe, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated driving modes, automatic headlights, integrated trailer braking, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, 10.2-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, button-activated shifter, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Tahoe, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, blacked-out Tahoe badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, Z71 badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked-out Chevrolet bow tie in the center, Z71 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights, blacked-out Chevrolet bow tie and Tahoe badging can both be found here on the hatch. Heading back inside the Tahoe, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, 2 USB-C charging ports, and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.